Last week, the Kurdish political world was abuzz. Abdullah Öcalan, its most famous prisoner, issued a statement urging his fighters to lay down their arms. A few hours later, a friend asked me, "What do you make of it?" "I like it a lot," I told her with a sigh of relief. For too long, the Kurdish struggle has been linked to terrorism. Now we can move past that label and fight for freedom without the stigma of criminality. Besides, the fate of the Kurds won't be decided solely in the mountains of Kurdistan. New York, Washington, London, Paris, Moscow, and Beijing have a say in it too. The debate that followed wasn't so kind to Mr. Öcalan, though. Did he state his own views or parroted those of his guard, the notoriously fickle president of Turkey, Recep Tayyip Erdogan? There was a little bit of both in the statement. His claim that Kurds and Turks are allies and the imperialist powers want to separate them from one another was clearly dictated to him. So was his call for his party to integrate with the Turkish state and society. They are willing to do so, but want to be the partners of the state and not its non-playing actors. But his admission that it is time to bury the Cold War and its vestiges were spot on. I like it when people come to terms with the reality as he did. It puts one on the path of truth. The truth of science put Americans on the moon. The truth of politics will put the Kurds on the path of freedom.